Hey guys, my name is Octavio Leon, and this is my 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. So last year I won a Dream Wheels giveaway. Every year I do a military build that's dedicated to the men and women in which that I serve with. So this year I tried to come back and do something a little bit different. So we based our model off on a tank. So starting with the front, we're running Enzo headlights that was customized by Uprise Off-Road. I have Rolling Bit Powers Midnight Grill that has also been customized with a custom lit light. I have Fusion bumpers, and then underneath Power Base XL 800 soundbar. So my wheels are 26 by 14s Rolling Bit Power Thunder wheels wrapped around in 38 by 1550 pure off-road tires. So this is the BDS 6.5-inch coilover lift kit that's been powder coated. Along with the BDS suspension kit, I went ahead and added the recoil bars. I've been running this kit for the last 2 years now. It drives and rolls like a dream, smooth on-road and off-road. So on the sides I have amp power steps to help me get in and out on the sides. On the back I have a Fusion bumper that's been customized by BT Fab. Along with the inside of the bed, I'm running a bed rug bed carpet. I have 4 power-based tower speakers, along with a Vindictive Customs bar to hold those sound pods in place. So inside I have a Fenix Android radio. I have Addictive Audio that hooked me up in terms of our speakers. I have a locker down safe. Road wires stitched everything up for us on the inside as far as our leather seats and interior. And then I have a Starlit headliner that was done by Uprise Off-Road. And then DreamWorks also pitched in and helped us finish out the interior by doing our door panels. So I'm currently an active duty Air Force member. I've been in for the last 13 years. And this build is truly dedicated to the men and women in which that I serve with.